Unplug the washer from the wall outlet. Turn off the water supply to the washer. Open the loading door. Carefully remove the wire clamp ring from the groove in the door seal using a small, flat blade screwdriver. To avoid damaging the spring, located in a 6 o'clock position, use the screwdriver on the wire clamp ring to the left or right of the spring. Grasp the lip of the door seal. To avoid damaging the seal, do not use pliers or sharp objects to grasp the door seal lip. Using a circular motion, pull the seal lip up, out, and down. When the seal releases from the lip of the front panel, pull out and remove the seal from the rest of the front panel. While supporting the door lock from the back through the door opening, remove the 2 screws holding the door lock to the front panel. Disconnect the harness connector from the door lock and remove the lock. Do not pull the wire harness out too far, or the harness push tab that attaches the front flange to the cabinet may become disconnected. Reconnect the harness to the new door lock. Refer to the wiring diagram for proper placement. Insert the door lock through the door opening. Install the small lip through the mounting hole first and then rotate the lock into position. Replace the 2 screws holding the lock to the front panel. Replace the door seal around the edge of the door opening on the front panel. Door seal installation can be improved by using a water or soap solution to work the seal around the circumference of a loading door opening. Replace the wire clamp ring in the groove of the door seal and attach the spring in the 6 o'clock position. It may be easier to install the wire clamp ring and spring when they are attached before being placed into the door seal. Close the loading door. If removed, replace the lower access panel by inserting the panel locators into the bottom edge of the front panel. Replace the 2 screws in the bottom of the access panel. Turn on the water supply to the washer. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Run the washer through a complete cycle to make sure it is operating properly.